Hello everyone, my name is Rafiki. Today in this video we are going to see how to draw a simple floor plan of a residential building in ARCHICAD 24. So by starting, we go to options in order to set the working units. Go to options, project preference, and then choose working units. And then here it opens, and then you can choose your preferred working units. There is meters, decimeters, and millimeters, or inches and foot. Me, I prefer to use meters in this project, and then click OK. So we go, before we start, you go to wall setting in order to see or to set how our walls will look like. Here it opens different options, but me, I prefer to use this structure basic composite complex profile. Click on it, and then here this is the thickness of the wall. Yeah, I'm going to use 300 millimeters, and then click OK. But here this our wall will have the height of 3 meters or 3000 millimeters. If you want to change this, well, yes, we will see it in the next video, but you're gonna change this one in order to set the height of your wall. So let's click OK. So to start, you click on your left click of your mouse, and then you put the measurements of your building. Me, in this project, this building will have like 7 meters of width to 11 meters. This is a simple rectangular residential building. And then match this corner. Yes, now our rectangle is ready. In another video, we'll see how to draw this rectangle by using this one you see here on the top. So then we are going to divide this space into rooms. To do so, you're gonna click on this measure in order to measure. I'm going to start from a living room or a salon. My salon will have like 4 meters inside. Click OK, and then draw the wall over here. But I'm gonna change this into this side in order to have 4 meters, complete 4 meters, and then click OK. So I'm going to divide this space into a salon and a dining room. My dining room will have 3 meters to 4 meters. Yes, 3 meters from this corner. Put 3 meters, press enter, and then draw a wall over here. Click OK. So I'm going to divide this remaining space into rooms. I'm going to start from here. Let me see. I'm going to draw a room which has 3 meters over here. Go to wall, measure, click on this corner, and then put 3 meters. Sorry. Yes, you go to measure and then choose this corner, measure, choose the corner. I'm gonna put 3 meters from this corner, and then what's long, measure, destroy the corner. 3 meters, yes, and then take the difference over here. I take the difference here. okay, and then go to outside. From here I put another wall. So I'm going to put a corridor which we have 1 meter from here. 1 meter. Take the reference over here to quicken the action, and then click here, click OK. So I'm going to put another corridor from saloon to these rooms. Go to measure. The corridor will have at least 1 meter in residential building, and then click here, click OK. So I'm going to divide this one into rooms. Like if I choose this one, it means the wall would start from the center to center of this walls, and then go to outside, click center, in order to make or to divide two equal rooms. Click OK. So my friend, our floor plan is ready. In the next video we will see how to put or to insert the openings like windows and doors in our plans. So let me see in 3D. It's good. My friend, please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video for more videos like this. Yeah.